Welcome to our 1-week video for Minnie's yummy pie litter. I hope you enjoy getting to see just how cute and small they are and what they've been up to. Here we go. Here you'll see my helper doing ENS, early neurological stimulation, and early scent introduction. Even though the puppies are so young and their eyes and ears are both closed, this has been proven to really help kick into gear different senses of the puppies. It was created by the US military to help future military dogs, and it's been found that it helps impact the neurological system by kicking it into action earlier than normal. And that has a lot of benefits, such as cardiovascular performance, stronger heartbeats, stronger adrenal glands, more tolerance to stress, and a stronger resistance to disease. So totally worth our time. We also like to give them that kickstart on their scents because the nose is a superpower for the dog. And then we also like to do their daily weights to make sure that they are gaining and eating plenty. And then just how cute are they right here? See you next week.